Hello everyone, this is my wife's 2008 Highlander. The window seems to be off its track. When we lower it down, it kind of takes a full nosedive in, where the last time it happened we had to pull it out by hand. So I'm going to go in there. I removed this panel, but I broke it. I went to the dealership, it was like $50 to replace it, but when I put it back on just like this, you'll see that there's a couple little grooves in there. So I'm assuming there's some kind of a tool that you slide in there to release the panel. Also, once you get in there, there's a screw here and a screw here that hold the window on the track. Just from what I've found online, apparently the screws come loose and fall down into the door. You can look for it. I don't want to have to deal with that. I bought 2 screws from the dealer. They were like $1 a piece. So here's what the screws part number looks like for 2 of them. I bought 2 just in case. And this is the part number for the replacement trim, because I broke mine. Also, you're going to need a 5/16 socket wrench or crescent wrench or some kind of wrench. And then this one is for the bolts themselves. When you start, you're going to have to kind of pop this one off. It snaps off, but be careful because you can also break it. And you don't need to do anything with this, just this clears the way for the panel to pop up. Behind the handle, kind of push at the edge and then just grab it, and you have to take that screw off. So you take that one off, you take that one off, and then you take that one off. And I think that's it for removing the panel. I will come back once that's off and we'll see what else we need to do. I got the screws off. Now I'm going to take the panel. I found the best way to grip it is from the edge here. And just pull it all the way around. And then grab it from the handle and pull up. Pull it all the way up and then up. Alright. There is a clip right here. Sorry, I'm moving the camera a lot. There is a little clip in the bottom of this that you have to, where's here? Right here. Push, and then you can pull this out. Just like that. And then these 2 here. Now just remember, the green one goes in the bottom, white one goes on the top. Just pull out, and out, out, and then all the way out like this. And then, except for this light, which I don't know how to remove, wire, it's, oh, there it is. You can remove it. So, there is a light setting right there. Push it in. Sorry about that. Push this in. Disconnect it. You can completely move this over to the side so it's out of your way. Little. You can see, not all the way, just less than halfway. And as you can see, the screw's missing. That's where the window track is at. And when I dug my hand in there, I actually did find it in there. I'm probably going to use one of the new ones just because it upsets me that I purchased it and now I don't have to buy it. I mean, use it. But I'm still going to use the new one. But you can look in there apparently. Just reach your hand in there, feel around. That's how I found it. So let me put this screw back in there, and then, or the new one in there, and I will come back. So basically, this is going to go on there, but it has to be tightened. Alright. Also, I forgot to mention earlier, this looks like just putty. If you have a sharp blade like a box cutter, if you just lightly go across it, you should be able to peel some of this off, and this sticks right back. So that should help with that. Once you've tightened this, because this is a 10 millimeter, I wanted to let you guys know that on the other side of this track, there is also, let me see if I can see from here, at the end of that track right there, I can't see it, but you can feel it if you reach your hand up there to the end of the track. There's another screw just like this one. take a 10mm wrench, like this one, tighten this one, and tighten the other one. The other one was loose too. It was about to come off, and that other one's probably going to be harder to replace if you let it fall off. So I think that's it. I'm going to put this back up. Put all the other connections back where they go, and then let's see if this worked. So my window's all the way up, and go all the way down. No problem. And it goes all the way up. So worked for me. Hope it works for you. To reassemble this, just go in reverse order from when we took it apart. Good luck.